My name is Berard. I'm a head lineman at Humble Service Center. We've been doing a lot of work up in the mountains in the Arecibo area. It's treacherous. We've up mountains, down through the middle of valleys. Apparently they don't, well, it's not apparent. They absolutely do not build things like we do at CenterPoint. It's 1,500, 2,000 foot spans going across mountaintops. It's really crazy to get up there and see it. Clearing up the wire, I would think, and the driving. The driving is definitely a challenge. It's a whole nother world when it comes to driving up here. When you don't have a center stripe on any road anywhere other than a major highway, it's like a free-for-all. It's really strange. And then the clearing up the material and the old wire and things like that have been down for 5 months, you know, that jungle floor takes it over. I get it starts immediately as soon as it hits the ground. It's getting vines and trees growing on it, and we're having to reuse a whole lot of that material. Which material is still very scarce in this area. It's hard to come by with the amount of things that are down. People are awesome. The people are really awesome. There's a man on I believe he was on the first trip. They had got his power on, and he did a big interview, I think on a YouTube channel or something, and it kind of hit the internet and all the lineman pages. He actually came out to the job we were on yesterday. I guess we were close to him, and he passed out the little Puerto Rico hard hat stickers to all the guys on the crew. The food, the people are coming out bringing us food every day, multiple times a day. Multiple people show up we've already eaten, and they're very appreciative.